Chief Justice Bryan Sykes is calling on key partners, including forensic services, to improve turnaround times. Speaking at the official opening of a new record center and mediation booth, Justice Sykes stressed that justice delayed can have irreversible consequences. Sandy Williams reports.
A step forward for Jamaica's justice system. New mediation booths and a modern records center are now in operation, designed to streamline court processes and reduce delays.
That role and function of mediation that has been promoted by the Ministry of Justice and Constitutional Affairs is a critical part of the array of dispute resolution mechanisms offered by the courts, so that it ties in with records management, because when the files come into court, the referral and the mediation takes place in the context of what is submitted in the files.
According to Chief Justice Bryan Sykes, proper record keeping is not just administrative, it can be life-changing.
Because sometimes some situation may have occurred, a person may have been acquitted of a criminal offense, but he has no record of that fact. And he or she may have to return to the court to get a copy of the fact of that acquittal. It may seem like a simple thing, but in the age in which we live, employment opportunities can turn on being able to prove that you have been acquitted of a criminal offense.
He warns that poor records management can undermine confidence in the justice system and create unnecessary frustration for citizens. International standards, he notes, require files to be retrieved within minutes and maintained with near-perfect accuracy. But delays are not limited to record storage.
Those responsible for the analysis of biological samples, particularly DNA, must recognize that when you have unnecessary delay in the hearing and disposition of a criminal matter or even a civil matter, it is actually a violation of the person's constitutional right. What if the DNA comes back and he is exonerated? Who is going to give him back those 18 months? Can I get it back?
The new records center and mediation booths are expected to improve efficiency, enhance mediation services, and ensure that critical court records are preserved and accessible when they matter most. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.